Preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds. That is compounds containing C double bond O group. Okay. Like aldehydes, ketones, acids, esters, etc. First method is the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones on catalytic hydrogenation gives alcohols. Okay. That is hydrogenation in presence of catalysts like finely divided platinum, palladium, nickel, etc. Also, we can use NaBH4, sodium borohydride, or lithium aluminium hydride. Also can be used for the hydrogenation of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, for the hydrogenation of aldehydes and ketones and produce alcohols. Okay, normally aldehydes gives primary alcohols. Okay, and ketones gives secondary alcohols. Let us explain that. Okay. First, aldehydes, RCHO, on hydrogenation in presence of palladium catalyst. Okay, the hydrogenation takes place and the product obtained will be RCH2OH. This is a primary alcohol. Okay, for example, CH3, CHO on hydrogenation in presence of palladium gives CH3CH2OH. Ethanol will be obtained. Similarly, in the case of ketones, RCOR dash, ketone on hydrogenation in presence of NaBH4, sodium borohydride, and the product obtained will be a secondary alcohol, CH or CHOH R dash will be obtained. So, this will be a secondary alcohol. Let us take one example. CH3, COCH3 on hydrogenation in presence of sodium borohydride. Okay, the reaction takes place and the product obtained will be 2-propanol. 2-propanol will be obtained, which is a secondary alcohol. Okay. Second method, reduction of carboxylic acids and esters. Reduction of carboxylic acids and esters. Okay. Here, carboxylic acid are reduced to form alcohols in the presence of strong reducing agent like lithium aluminium hydride. Okay, RCOH, acid on hydrogenation. Okay, reduction takes place in presence of lithium aluminium hydride. Then on hydrolysis, it gets converted into RCH2OH. Okay, so an alcohol will be obtained. This lithium aluminium hydride is a strong reducing agent. Also, it is highly expensive. So, it is difficult to prepare commercially. So, what we have to do is, first we have to convert this acid into esters from which we can prepare alcohols. So, in the commercially, while preparing alcohols, we have to commercially first convert acid to ester. Okay, First we have to convert acid to ester, and this on reduction in presence of a catalyst, that is catalytic hydrogenation of the ester takes place and it gets converted into alcohols. Let us take the process RCOOH. Okay. This first gets converted into RCOOR dash ester will be obtained. This on catalytic hydrogenation. Okay. What will happen? Catalytic hydrogenation takes place and it gets converted into RCH2OH plus R dash OH will be obtained. So commercially we can prepare alcohol like this from acids. Next method is preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagents. From Grignard reagents, that is RMGX. Okay. Normally carbonyl compounds containing C double bond O groups, okay, will react with Grignard reagent and form an addition product. Okay, this product on hydrolysis with dilute acid gives the corresponding alcohols. Okay, so first let us take one example. Formaldehyde on reaction with RMGX. Okay, so what will happen? R will come and attach here. Okay, an addition product will be obtained. R will come and attach here. Okay, then hydrolysis in presence of dilute acid takes place and it gets converted into alcohol. Okay, ROH plus MgOHX products will be obtained. This is the process taking place in the case of Grignard reagent on reaction with compounds containing carbonyl groups. Okay, formaldehyde gives primary alcohols. Okay, all other aldehydes give secondary alcohols and ketones gives tertiary alcohols. Okay, so here we can see that this gives primary alcohol, the formaldehyde. This is the reaction of formaldehyde. This gives primary alcohol, and in the case of other aldehydes that gives secondary alcohol, and in the case of ketone they give tertiary alcohols. Let us see one by one. First, HCHO on reaction with CH3 MgX. Okay, addition product will be obtained. CH3 H OH plus OMgX. Okay, this is the addition products. Next, the product obtained will be CH3 CH2 OH will be obtained plus MgOHX. This is a primary alcohol. Okay, next case, other aldehyde on reaction with CH3 MgX. Addition product will be obtained. OMgX. Okay, next, this on hydrolysis, what will happen? The product obtained will be CH3 CHOH. Okay, plus MgOHX. So here we can see that this is a secondary alcohol. Okay, secondary alcohol. Next, in the case of ketone, what will happen? Plus CH3 MgX. CH3 comes here, OMgX. Okay, this on hydrolysis gives CH3 CH3 CH3OH. This is a tertiary alcohol plus MgOHX. Okay, these are the different reactions of carbonyl compounds with Grignard reagents.